Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you an easy and healthy meal prep for weight loss. If you're busy, want to save time, and still eat clean, this video is for you. Let's get started. Meal prepping is one of the best ways to stay on track with your weight loss goals. It helps you control portions, avoid junk food, and always have a healthy meal ready. For today's meal prep, we'll be making 3 simple, balanced meals: grilled chicken with brown rice then steamed vegetables, salmon with quinoa then roasted broccoli, and turkey meatballs with zucchini noodles then tomato sauce. First, let's prepare the grilled chicken. Take 2 chicken breasts, and I'm gonna season them with salt, pepper, garlic, and a little bit of olive oil. We're gonna grill these until they're fully cooked. You can grill them outside if you have a grill, or you can use an indoor grill pan. While the chicken is cooking, let's prepare the base for our first meal. In a small saucepan, add 1 cup of brown rice and 2 cups of water. Bring to a boil, then reduce heat and simmer for 15 minutes or until the rice is tender and the water is absorbed. Next, we'll steam a mix of vegetables. Add 1 cup of broccoli florets, half a cup of carrots, and half a cup of green beans to a steamer basket. Steam for 5 to 7 minutes or until the vegetables are crisp tender. Once the chicken is fully cooked, slice it into strips and divide it among 3 meal prep containers. Add the brown rice and the steamed vegetables to the container. This meal is balanced with protein, carbs, and fiber, which will keep you full and satisfied. Now let's move on to our second meal, which is baked salmon with quinoa and roasted broccoli. Preheat oven to 400 degrees F. Place 2 salmon fillets on a baking sheet lined with parchment paper. Squeeze half a lemon over the fillets and season with salt, pepper, and Italian herbs. Bake for 12 to 15 minutes or until the salmon is cooked through. In a saucepan, combine 1 cup of quinoa and 2 cups of water. Bring to a boil, then reduce heat and simmer for 15 minutes or until the quinoa is tender and the water is absorbed. While the quinoa is cooking, toss 1 head of broccoli florets with 2 tablespoons of olive oil, salt, and pepper. Roast in the preheated oven for 10 to 12 minutes or until the broccoli is tender crisp. Divide the salmon and quinoa among 3 meal prep containers. Add the roasted broccoli to the sides. This meal is packed with protein and omega-3s to support your overall health and well-being. For the third meal, we'll make turkey meatballs with zucchini noodles and a light tomato sauce. In a bowl, combine 1 pound of ground turkey, half a cup of breadcrumbs, 2 cloves of minced garlic, salt, pepper, and Italian seasoning. Mix well and roll into 12 meatballs. Heat a large skillet over medium heat. Add the meatballs and cook until golden brown. You don't need to cook them all the way through. Add 1 jar of your favorite tomato sauce and simmer for 10 minutes. While the meatballs are simmering, use a spiralizer or vegetable peeler to create zucchini noodles. Add the zucchini noodles to the skillet with the meatballs and the sauce. Toss the coat. Divide the mixture among 3 meal prep containers. This meal is a low-carb, high-protein option that's delicious and satisfying. Once everything is ready, portion out your meals into containers. This helps with portion control and makes it easy to grab a healthy meal anytime. And that's it. 3 delicious, healthy meals that are perfect for weight loss. With just a few hours of prep, you'll save time all week and stay on track with your fitness goals. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more healthy recipes and weight loss tips. Thanks for watching, and happy meal prepping!